students of class 12 commerce in our business studies syllabus for class 12. Today my topic is to discuss regarding features of marketing. Dear students, the main features of marketing are: number 1, needs and wants; second, creating a market offering; third, customer value; fourth, exchange mechanism. Let us discuss all of them one by one. Number 1, needs and wants. The main objective of marketing process is to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers. All the marketing activities are carried out to fulfill this objective. A need can be defined as sum total of all those items which are basic to human beings. For example, food, shelter, clothing, water, etc. Culturally defined objectives that are potential satisfactors of needs are known as wants. For example, basic needs for water can take many forms such as cold drink or lemon water or tea or coffee, etc. These forms are known as wants. An organization must identify the various needs of their customers and should develop products and services that satisfy the same. Second one feature of marketing is creating a market offering. Market offering means giving an offer for goods and services by describing its features like shape, size, quality, uses, etc. Suppose a computer is offered in a market. It is various features like different size and price at which it is available, technology is used, location of the shop at which it is available, etc. are undescribed. A good market offer is one which aims at complete customers satisfaction. Number third feature of marketing is customer value. The customer is willing to purchase the product or services only when its value is satisfying their needs in relation to its cost. That is, the product or service is providing them maximum benefit. Therefore, the marketer's job is to add some value to its product to that it is offered by the customers over the competitor's product. Number fourth feature of marketing is exchange mechanism. The process of marketing consists of exchange of goods and services for money or money's worth. This mechanism helps both buyers and sellers to get what they desire. Exchange is defined as an essence of marketing. Products can be exchanged through various middlemen at various levels of distribution. The following conditions must be satisfied before any exchange takes place. Number 1, there must be at least two parties, that is buyer and seller. Second, both the parties must offer something of value to each other. Third, both buyer and seller should communicate with each other and should deliver something of value to each other. And fourth, both of them have the right to accept or reject the party's offer. And number last is both of them should be ready to enter a transaction with each other. Dear students, this all was about the features of marketing. Let us revise: needs and wants, creating a market offering, customer value, and exchange mechanism. I will be back with the next topic tomorrow, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.